Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Dreamlink app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on apps and come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Dreamlink app, or just click on search. Then here at the DLS24, just click on it. It's going to show for you like this. Then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. So then here you search for Dreamlink app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.